So this is a show around of a lake view room near facilities at Disneyland Paris's Sequoia Lodge. It's a lovely room. There's a couple of bonuses with this room, which I can't wait to show you. We didn't expect to get what we did, so I think we've had a little cheeky upgrade with this one. But if we start with the bed, it's a king room, so naturally, as you'd expect, a king bed. There are a couple of lights above. It is Bambi themed. Sequoia Lodge itself is themed around Bambi and sort of American national parks, and the rooms have all the Bambi characters. So super, super cute. You can see just looking out the window, it is a lake view, but because it is sort of themed off American national parks, it's full of trees, which makes it a beautiful property to walk around. It does mean slightly blocked with the view, but as I said, we have a very lucky bonus with this room, which I will show you at the end, because, you know, save the best till last. But here we go. There's a table, there's your coffee machine, some water, some complimentary water. We also brought some extra coffee just because we usually need quite a bit before we start the day. Aircon unit there, aircon heater, and it is on, it's pumping out up the top. And I think that's just like a sofa bed chair if you need an extra bed in here. And then swinging around, we have the bathroom area. So you've got a single vanity, and there's a sort of storage space underneath. There's a Sequoia Bambi themed tissue box. Those useless hair dryers. And swinging around is your storage space for your bags. Underneath there, that's a cot. If you need one, it just comes with the room. And safe up there, and some hangers. And next door is the bathroom with a shower, bathtub, and curtain. Sadly, I don't like curtains, but there we go. And Disney themed products for shampoo and conditioner, and your shower gel on the wall. And the toilet is just behind the door. Well, that's the room, but if I show you, this is the layout of the hotel. That's kind of the lake here, and you come up this side, walk around, and then here, so we're 2104, so it is a corner room. Not only were we lucky enough to be able to check in at 12, yeah, you see that little chair and table out there? But this room, and it appears only the two at each end, you get a balcony. And this is the cheeky little upgrade, because I definitely didn't book this. But I love it. Let's have a look. So, there's a little table and chairs. It's a huge space out here. The area in the middle is nothing, because that's the end of the corridor, and then the other room on the other side has the same. So I don't think you're going to get anyone standing in this bit. And there is the main part of Sequoia. That's where you come in and out, and obviously to the lake. And there's the lake, and you get this amazing view of, you can see the Art of Marble Hotel there, Disney Village, and the castle, look. Actually see the castle from here, which is incredible. And I mean, this makes this room, I'm blown away by this. I mean, it's December, so it's cold. I'm not going to be out here much. But I mean, if you are here and you're here for a long time, you'll get some amazing shots of the fireworks. Back into the room, nice and cozy. As I said, that was just a lovely bonus. And she knew when she checked us in, because she gave a little smile and said, "Oh, your room's ready." And I was like, "Oh, okay." You seem very excited just to say that, but now I can see why, because she knew what we were coming up to. So thank you, Sequoia Lodge. Beaten expectations. Oh, sorry. And in this corner, you have your TV, television set, and so charge point. Not many charge points in here. You can see there's another one down here where someone's unplugged it to use. And I have seen this because I've watched so many of these myself, and I know that in the rooms they've kind of put multi-sockets. This one, they clearly haven't done that. I'm not sure where they would put it, to be honest, but there we go. I mean, it's clear the hotel could do with a refurb, but it's clean, and it's what you want. It is clean, there's no issues with it, and that. So there we go. There is a tour of this room. This is 2104. So, I mean, if you want this room, maybe you can ask for this number. I don't know if you can, but I mean, give it a go. We didn't request anything. I just asked for a high floor. But this part of the lodge, there's only 2 floors anyway. It's not like the main building over there, which has more than 2. So technically it's the top floor of this wing. It's the south wing. There you go. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed, if it's helped you, please give a thumbs up. Always helps. Feel free to subscribe to see all of my future videos. And yeah, make sure you check out our Disneyland Paris vlog as well. Until next time, bye for now.